Yo, what is up, guys? Your boy Ryan here. I just want to record this short intro, kind of showing you guys that we're actually really close to 1K subscribers. That's really a big goal of mine since I started YouTube. I don't know, 1K is just like a number where it's obviously just an arbitrary number, but it's like kind of where I guess lots of people don't hit it when they just like kind of casually do YouTube, and that wasn't really my goal with YouTube. I wanted to like constantly pump out videos. That's why I kind of keep up these daily uploads, long videos for you guys, and kind of put a lot of work into this and see what I can get out of it. So it's just really awesome to see it's paying off. And if you enjoy the videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, for 1,000 subscribers, I am planning on doing a Q&A video, so drop some comments down, questions down in the comment section below for whatever you want, and I'll pick some of my favorites and answer them in the video. And I'll also plan on doing some live streams soon after I hit 1K subscribers, once I figure out how to live stream on my phone. So look out for those as well. But we'll hop into these tryhard games versus SeptoSquid after now, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Ryan Mahalik here, and I'm coming at you with a tryhard series actually versus SeptoSquid. So he hit me up on Discord and wanted to play some games. So I'm more than down to do that with him. He is a pretty well-known arena player, so should be fun. Looks like starting map is offside. He is bringing Cobra to the table. We're bringing Dartling Glue, so should be a fun game. And yeah, start with our farm here. Get those bananas flowing. He's full sending me. We're gonna leak a lot here. There we go. Get that powerful darts up, and then we'll kind of push all these balloons back. Is the goal. Don't really see Cobra on this map too often, but I guess SeptoSquid probably knows I don't play NFE, so might be a good pick for him to go Cobra. We'll see if we can defend his adjustment here. Got our plantation up. We're probably just gonna go for another Dartling straight after this, so we can kind of push all these balloons back to the start, or at least that's the hope, since our Dartling is starting to struggle a bit, and I don't really want to burn boosts. So that's kind of what we're doing here. The goal with the targeting of the Dartlings is to make it so they never miss a dart as well. That's kind of what you want to do. We're going to balloon boost him some blacks. Maybe he'll send less greens that way. We'll still get you up. Oh my gosh. I really didn't want to get that up. Oh well. He played that well for sure, forcing me to get 2 powerful darts around 6. So, obviously, that's not ideal start. I'm not really sure what I could have done better in the start, though. Maybe sent him some pinks or something to make him stop sending me. Not too sure. Gotta target these at the very start. Looks like he's sending me some yellows, but I doubt he has enough money to force more defense and 2 powerful darts. And that's what it looks like. Alright. He didn't balloon boost either way as well. So it looks like we're going to be able to chill with these 2 Dartlings for a while, which is nice. That's the new glue spot I use, by the way. My boy King taught me this glue spot, so shout out to him. He's a really good player. It's better because it hits the balloons earlier on, so then the corrosive can kind of do more work. Crap. There we go, we got 3 Dartlings down now. Send him a set of camo pinks. His rush was pretty weak because he didn't layer pinks over. When you're fighting Dartling Glue, layering pinks over is huge for forcing defense or boost, since the glue doesn't really have much effect against the group balloons. So we're on pace right now to get like around 14 or 15 BIA, so that's really solid. He's smiling over there, so mans must be happy right now, which is good. You want to stay happy. Yeah, we're gonna get this up to faster firing, just in case he rushes us. And we're gonna plan to go for this BIA at the end of this round. There's his rush. It's after we went for our BIA though. We're gonna boost against this. There's some camos in there. There we go. We defended that. Got kind of spooky, to be honest with you. But his adjustment's actually really weak now. Because, oh. You see that retargeting? We'll boost again. If he all outs Camo Ceramics, we sell this, get up 2 laser cannons. Okay. I don't really know if I needed a boost there. That was cautionary boost, to be honest. But yeah, his adjustment's really weak now, so we'll be able to kind of chill here and let our BIA cook up a lot, which is really nice. We'll start placing some Dartlings over here so they can hit down this way. I think that line's pretty good, to be honest. Kind of want to move my glue again. I only moved it over there for the Moab, so I could glue the ceramics that came out of it. Also, spamming 0-1 Dartlings is much better than getting the faster shooting. You get more bang for your buck with the popping power. So, that's just a tip. Okay, looks like he is sending me a BFB, so well done there, buddy. Gosh. Dude, this defense is so ugly. I'm playing this terribly. Reglue it. That was really ugly defend, guys. Oh no. Please don't die, please don't die, please don't die. The adjustment's not even that strong. I don't know how I'm doing so bad here. Okay, this should be an easy defend after it gets reglued. Alright, there we go. Okay, that was scary for a second, guys. We are out of boosts, but his eco is drained. I mean, he sent me a Moab, 2 BFBs. So I don't really know what his plan is. Definitely not my best Dartling Glue gameplay though. Lots of those defends were really bad. So yeah. But we should be able to forward this balloon area denial system on round 25. His adjustment's still not very strong. Okay, there he got up his impact for the balloons as he needed to. How much that sell for? 8,000? Yeah, we can cash that out as well. There we go. Oh, his adjustment's actually really weak. I'm not even sure if we needed to do that. Oh, he's sending me a ZOMG? Should be a simple defend. I wish we had a boost right now, but I think we're still vibing. Yeah, it looks like we are. Alright, well that is game 1. I will catch you guys in the next game. And yeah, I will catch you guys, whatever his losing map is, I'll see you guys there. Definitely not my best Dartling Glue gameplay, but we still came out with the dub, so yes sir. Alright, it looks like the homie Septo Squid's losing map was Space Station. You already know, my boy Asian likes this map. Asian Space Station is what they call him. So we're going Eco here. He's probably going Dart Wiz, I'm guessing, after he brings out the Dart there. So that's fine with me. Kind of expected loadout to face. And we're just kind of outlast, pretty much. Really don't want to leak. Okay, we leaked a red balloon. That's awesome. Just as I say, I don't want to leak. Okay, looks like his dart's actually on close, which is really good for us because as you can see, the balloons are going all the way around that bend on his side. So that means these rounds are going to last longer. If he had his dart on close on the other side, for example, that would be a lot worse for us because he'd be anti-stalling the balloons. Pretty much where his other dart is that he's getting up. We'll get the faster shooting on that right away. I don't want to leak, so yeah, that's kind of why I'm doing that. Maybe it would have been better for us to place our tack shooter a little bit lower. Maybe it would face better against spaced eco that way. I kind of placed mine higher so then like the kind of the top right and top left blades kind of hit down that line, as you guys can see, like this line. So that's kind of what my thought process was behind my placement, but against spaced eco, it's mostly better to place your tack closer to the track so it doesn't miss its blades. But I don't know, there's benefits to both spots for sure. We're gonna balloon boost some greens this way here. I'm just using my balloon boosts because I don't know. I'm not really gonna rush him much during the game, so it's just kind of helps me force more defense, I guess. I'm just gonna give a 0-0 tack here. We'll get you up 1-0. And we'll tank some leaks, but nothing too bad. And with this loadout, I'm fine boosting against like yellows or whatever, because it's an ability reliant loadout since you have the Maelstroms. So the boosts don't really matter too much late game, to be honest. We're sending a lot of yellows here. Looks like he does the same. Forces a boost on our side. We force a wizard on his side. If he follows up with yellows, we'll get up a second blade shooter, but I would imagine he would not. Get the monkey fort. Alright, we're vibing. The monkey fort really helps attack shooter because it upgrades its pierce. Get our glue gunner down. Looks like he's surprised with my loadout here. I like the loadout. I think it's good on some short maps. Send him a few whites there. Maybe, yep, we force some defense. And I think we're still going to be able to afford our radar scanner here. See if he sends me camos. Yeah, there's the camos. We'll see what he does here. Kind of just preparing some defense. I don't want to die to like an all-out or something. But I think we've got enough now where we can sell these for a Maelstrom basically, if need be. Does that defend? Alright, looks like it does. So well done there. Also, we're getting up sprayers because under the monkey fort, they're actually I think more cost effective than the blade shooter. I think I've talked about that in a past video before. The way the monkey fort works is it increases the pierce of everything by 1. And so the blade shooter obviously has half the tax than the tack sprayer, but its pierce is 3, and the tack sprayer's pierce is 1. So under this monkey fort, the pierce of the blade shooter is 4, and the pierce of this is 2. So they actually have the same popping power, and this is much cheaper. Plus it's better against MOABs and stuff because obviously it has 16 tacks. So under a monkey fort, I think this is just better in pretty much every way. You can fact check me in the comments if I'm wrong. I could be wrong, but that's my interpretation. Okay, looks like he's not sending me a MOAB, so we're vibing there. We need to get a glue hose up soon though. Glue on those hose, if you know what I'm saying. So our eco is actually really solid right now. Alright, I'm gonna get the glue hose now. Because if you sent me leads with this, I would kind of be screwed. I need to get up like a ring of fire or something. And it just helps against MOAB class balloons since it slows them down, obviously. I kind of want a ring of fire actually. Or just help against all the balloons. So he's actually struggling against AI here, which is nice. We have a spectator. I wonder who is spectating our game. So one good thing late game is we have a stall and he doesn't. Plus his loadout actually struggles a lot late game. Like constant BFBs are hard for Dartframe Wizard to defend, especially if they're ramped in health later in the game. Oh man, our eco is solid, actually, for like this short of a map. So we're gonna save up for our Monkey Town now, and the reason I'm doing it at this point in the game is because if he rushes with me with the ZOMG, this will kind of be selling money as well, so it kind of doubles over. He's probably gonna get a fax soon. Or is he gonna rush me with a Zong? I'm not sure. I feel like he would have gotten a fac by now, right? Yeah, there's the ZMG. As expected. Is this an all out then? We'll boost. No way. Dude, I didn't have money for the Maelstrom. That's unlucky. I'll catch you guys in the next game. Alright, we are on, then let's, big surprise. Who would have thought I would choose this as my losing map? Looks like he might be bringing Eco, actually. Starting off with an anti-stall off the rip, so that is interesting. If he's going Eco, I'm expecting Sub-Bomb Ice. It's kind of the Eco strat of choice on this map. And there is his sub at the bottom right, so that is what he is bringing to the table. So well done there. We are going to go with a Mortar start here. Pretty classic. Kind of going to be a boring game since we are facing Eco, but it is what it is. Place our boat down. Alright, get this anti-stall flowing. So we got about 300 eco from the first 2 rounds, but now these rounds are going to be pretty short. Thankfully, I think we want our... Sorry, I'm so jittery with my mortar micro targeting, but yeah. I am fine if he sends me pinks, by the way. He's just getting less eco doing that. So do all the pinks you want to send, bro. We'll get up a grape shot this round against greens. Faster shooting on that. Looks like he wants to be aggro with spaced eco. He's just hurting his own eco doing that. It's not smart in my opinion. It's not wise. I mean, you're getting lives on me, but this is pretty much the same defense I would have either way if he spaced eco'd or not. Get up our Bernie stuff. Force to frag bombs, I'm fine with that. We barely sent him anything. So we are down to 32 lives with 0 spikes, but again, I am fine with that. I am absolutely content with that. Our farms are amazing. If he sends me whites, we'll get up a destroyer. Oh, he's going for the top sub spot. That's a mistake. Is he going to be able to afford? One sec. No, he can't afford it. Never mind. He can't afford the cluster and reactor. For a second there, I thought he over-ecoed, but with 1 income boost, he'd be able to afford it, so. In cluster plus reactor on boost defense all out, so we can't expose him with his pants down. We'll get up our BIA this round. The plan is here, we're probably gonna take it late unless we can kill him with like BFBs or something. And send a big rush on round 34. If he counters, we'll have money to defend the counter probably. So yeah. We'll get up a second mortar against these eco balloons. These pesky eco balloons. So we still got a spectator. I don't know who the potato is who's spectating. Oh, he's got ninja. Interesting. I think ice is just better, but you have the ice shards and everything. We're gonna balloon boost this. He rushed me as well. I'm fine trading boost. Is he dead? He is dead. Okay, well, I will catch you guys in the next game. Alright, Septo's losing map was Area 52. We're bringing Wiz Village here. I'm not sure what he's gonna bring. Maybe Tac Wiz or late game strat. And he's not starting with this Tac anti-stall, so probably a late game strat if I were to guess. We're gonna spike those. Go for more bananas here. I'm not exactly sure what you're supposed to eco to. We'll go like 254. So he's probably going wizard as well if he's gonna send spaced blues at us. Come on, place. That was bad. Probably gonna leak more than I needed to since the wizard wouldn't place at the right time. Just my phone once again. So it looks like he's got a life lead. Wait, actually, I don't know if he spiked round 1. If he spiked round 1, then we have a life lead, obviously, but... So we'll see if we both go for our, what's it called? Okay, so it looks like we are. I used both my spikes. We're both gonna leak a lot here. This is normally how the wizard matchups go. Come on, get this up. There we go. How does he leak less? I don't know what I did differently. Maybe his wizard spot was better to stop leaks. Because we had a life lead going into that round, right? So I'm not sure exactly where I made the mistake there. So haven't played Wiz Village too much, so I'm not that confident in my Wiz Village skills, but we will see how this goes. We both got our 2 plantations up. I probably should have placed my wizard on the inside. Yeah, the fireball's just better in there. We'll place our second one in there. Okay, looks like we're defending whatever he's sending us. So that's solid. Is he still sending? We'll get up a second lightning. I'm not trying to die here. And he sent us a lot. So we'll still have a farm lead after that, and we can force his lightning with whites. There we go. Sent more whites than I wanted to, but it's whatever. So there's his village. We'll plop ours down in a second. There's ours. See if he goes for a rush here. Or if we're both just gonna get up around... I don't know if we can afford around 14 BI. Man, this will be dangerous if he can afford it and we can't. I don't know the number. Okay, it looks like he is not going for the round 14 BIA, since he went for the plantation side. So it's good for us. Boost. Okay, so we got our BI up earlier, but we spent a boost. We'll get that boost back from him on round 18, I think, with a Moab. So I'm not too worried about it. We'll balloon boost it too. This should be pretty, this will definitely force a boost. If he doesn't boost, he's dead. He might still be dead. No, he's vibing. Well, now we'll have to boost against a Moab, which is not... Actually, we have Summon Whirlwind. I'm guessing we're both going to send each other a BFB this round. In which case we both cash out. Yep. Oh, I didn't have Monkey Fort on that the whole time. That's why the defense was so bad. Oh my gosh. That's actually a really dumb play on my part. Does he defend? And he's dead. Alright, well, I will catch you guys in the next game. Alright, Septo's losing map was Mountain Pass. So, interesting losing map. We're rocking this back Boomer, Cobra. Don't know what he's going. Is he going Eco? Why is he starting with the Boomer back there? Oh, I guess he's just going the same strategy, but just doesn't want the double cheeked up wired funds, I guess. We'll just get this up. So obviously we're gonna leak more because we started differently than him. But I kind of like my start more, even though we leak and everything. You want the more Cobras because that helps a lot with the pinks and stuff that can be sent later in the game. You know? Okay, looks like he's just gonna go straight up for another one. So we're gonna send him pinks then. This should be kind of deadly to him. So he's got two good boomerang spots, so well done there with the spots, for sure. We're saving up for our, we might have to, yeah, we're gonna boost here, burn a boost. And we'll get up our, what's it called? Next round. There we go. Okay, it looks like his double boomerangs are actually handling really well, so that's well done on his part. He will need up the bionic though on round 8. So maybe his start is actually better. I'm not exactly sure. The boomerang spots on his side are better though, so he does have a slight side advantage. Alright, looks like it's just going for a third boomerang. I don't like that play, to be honest. Going for Bionic's better. Okay, yeah, but then he sold everything to go for the Bionic, so... And his Bionic spot's actually really bad. You were using such good boomerang spots, and then you put your Bionic spot in a terrible place. Come on, Septo Squid. We'll see what this does. Because normally this wouldn't do anything, but his boomerang spot is bad. And look at that, we forced selling in a second. Okay. That's just because you wouldn't struggle that much if you had a better spot. Like his first two spots were really good. And then there's another spot he can use, which is like right over here on his side. All of those spots are really good. So we have an eco lead. We forced a lot of selling and stuff on his side as well with those. Okay, so he's already got the red hot spikes up. We just have to be careful for mid-game rushes here. Keep our boomerang on last. He is ecoing still, which is interesting. Adjustment's going to be hard for both of us to defend. We will need a spiked mines eventually, which obviously is hard to get up. It's very expensive. We'll probably plan on around 18 adjustment. It's normally the round you kind of want to go on. So we're kind of just getting our Cobra orgy going on right now. All of them with their little Glocks out. The gun, of course. Don't misconstrue that. But yeah. I could have blended something with round 16 AI. I think it might just be better to save up from here on and just plan on a hard adjustment round 20, or round 18. We're gonna get up our spiked balls here preemptively, just so we kind of build that up going into round 18. Looks like he does the same. And now we're just gonna start our adjustment. Kind of buff these spaced yellows, so then they do a little bit more damage to him, I guess. It's not really gonna make much of a difference, but you know. So our adjustment's not strong enough to do anything, force a boost or anything yet, but it will be getting there, slowly chipping away at that spike count. And obviously his boomerang doesn't help much being in a bad spot. We'll see what he does here. He hasn't started adjusting me yet. Is he just saving up for spike mines? He's going for turbocharge. That's not really the play against adjustment. You need a reliable source of defense rather than spamming turbocharges. So I'm expecting him to all out me next round if he's gonna play it like this. In which case, we are gonna get up a misdirection. Preemptively. Is he doing so? He sold some stuff. Oh, he got his spiked mines up. Well done. Sending these pinks will actually do some damage. Forced a boost from him. More pinks. His ricochet is not going to do anything because the camos block it. Oh, is he sending me one now? He might be sending me a BFB. That's why I got up a misdirection. In which case, we'll just keep on misdirecting it back and forth. And we have more money than him to do so. Eventually, the spike mines is going to get overrun. He's not adjusting me at all right now, so we're vibing. See y'all outing me? Oh, and we won to adjustment. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Shout out to my boy SeptoSquid. He does have a YouTube, so his link will be in the description box below. Make sure to check him out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the best of 7 with him. Shout out to SeptoSquid. He is a great guy. And that is it. Peace out. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. We are almost at 1K. I am so hyped for that. But that is it.